Come test drive this 2020 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.